Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to see your TikTok history so you can easily find videos you've watched before and never lose your favorite content again. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the TikTok app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing. This is important because your watch history is linked to your specific account, and if you're on the wrong one, you won't see your actual history. Step 2. From the menu, locate the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. This takes you directly to your TikTok profile page where all your account options and settings are available. It's the main place to access your personal preferences and features. Step 3. On your profile page, find the three lines icon at the top right corner and tap on it to open more options. From here, select the Settings and Privacy menu. This section holds all the key controls related to your TikTok account, from privacy settings to activity history. Step 4. Once inside the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you see the Activity Center option. Tap on it to continue. The Activity Center is where TikTok keeps track of your interactions, including your watch history, likes, and other engagement data. Step 5. Inside the Activity Center, look for the Watch History option and tap on it. This is where you'll find a full list of videos you've watched on TikTok. You can scroll through them to rewatch, like, or even share any video that caught your attention earlier. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to see your TikTok history in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more easy app tutorials.